that has your tree strap and D-hook, hopefully. Hopefully you didn't leave it on the tree back there.
What happened? We're gonna reverse.
Why is this beeping? A battery going dead?
You want to go low?
Yeah. See what you want to do there? You want to hang as far left as you can.
Oh, back up. They got me in a bad spot here. In reverse?
It's in reverse.
Yeah! I'm gonna do it one more time.
Hurry up, stop.
Come on, smash that finish, you know you want to.
Alright. One thing will put it off. You put it apart. Woo!
No, I don't know.
I can back up! I am. Tell me when! Just walk with it, I'll try it. Hold on. Terry.
What?
I can try it, leave the cable, and then we get over this spot. Alright.
Where you gonna pair it up?
I just like people talking to me.
Huh?
I just like talking. I like people talk to me, yell.
Like what you gonna do?
Yeah.
You make this, I'd be absolutely amazed. You make it 2 years, I'll be absolutely amazed. Don't slide backwards. Don't go backwards. Keep on. Keep going. Keep going.
Good, keep going.
Keep going,
You're
go,
good,
go, go.
You're good.
Don't let up.
You're good. Just keep going, Roy. Looking good. Keep going. You're good. Right on the tire track. Go ahead. Perfect. Keep going. You're good.